Kajabi membership platform app. The pros, the cons. Most people struggle to combine content creation, marketing, and membership management, but the Kajabi membership platform app brings everything into one streamlined solution. You won't believe how much time and effort it saves compared to juggling multiple tools. Kajabi allows you to create courses, membership sites, and digital products with ease. One standout feature is its all-in-one marketing suite. Email campaigns, landing pages, and funnels are fully integrated, so you can attract, engage, and convert your audience without third-party apps. HorseBuilder supports video quizzes, assignments, and downloadable resources, making it easy to deliver a professional learning experience. Monetization is highly flexible. You can offer one-time purchases, subscriptions, bundles, and free trials, all with automated payments. Kajabi's analytics tracks student engagement, revenue, and marketing performance, helping you optimize both content and business strategies. However, there are some cons. Kajabi is more expensive than many competitors, which may be a barrier for new creators. Platform has a learning curve, especially for beginners navigating all its features. While highly versatile, extreme customization options are limited in certain design areas. In conclusion, the Kajabi membership platform app is ideal for creators and entrepreneurs who want an all-in-one solution for content delivery, membership management, and marketing. Its integrated tools, analytics, and monetization options make it easy to grow and scale your business. While cost and complexity may be factors, Kajabi provides unmatched convenience and professional capabilities for serious creators.